Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a modern Royal electronic typewriter. This is called a Scriptor. Royal does not make this machine. I'm pretty sure it's made by Nakajima or some other outfit. Royal doesn't make typewriters anymore, so they just put their name on, sell their name to be put on products. So this is the current model being sold in 2021. And what I need to do to this, let me turn this thing on, off, is over here, right here on the side, right there. This had a label stuck underneath the roller. Remnants of that label is right here. So a sticky label was stuck underneath the roller. The whole machine has to come apart to get that out and running again. But I thought I would show how to change the correction ribbon. Well, I got it here, especially since this one is not even working right. Get this out of the way here. This one has got a correction ribbon in there, right there. That little guy. But it's not correcting. It's just, these ribbons go bad pretty easy. They're sold bad. So there's correction. It's not doing much to correct. That is the worst case of shadowing I've ever seen. So the ribbon is just bad or old or born bad. I don't know. But we're going to change it out here. Camera. I'm just going to leave this machine on. Let's take this ribbon out. Little metal thing you can flex out of the way right here to pop that ribbon out easy. So full side goes on this side, and it's almost empty anyhow. So they used it up, but it hasn't been correcting for a while. Okay, so toss that away. New ribbons I use are these T355s. They seem to work pretty well. Come in a box of 6. I sell these, of course. I sell ribbons for all typewriters. Let's focus in here. So, new spool goes over here. So we just take this off. Spin it with the arrow. There's a little arrow right there. And I like to roll some of this into the little spool here first, so it's ready to go. Okay, so the new ribbon's going to come off the bottom like that, and you stick that on there. And here's the tricky part. So it comes off the bottom. There's a dull side and a shiny side. So here's the dull side. You need to get that towards the paper. So it needs to take a little bend like that around that corner right there. So the dull side is now facing that paper, the platen. Pull it across. So we still got the dull side facing the paper. Now when it comes on this side, hopefully she ends up with this side facing the carrier and the little arrow over here, so we can wind it, stick it on the shaft right there, push it on, snap it on. You can turn up the slack, and she should be turning freely if everything's right. Looks right to me. Let's just stick this typewriter ribbon back in here. This one just snaps back in. Just push it in, and let's try it. See if this works a little better. So that's what it was doing before. That was all corrected. Come back up here and try that QER. It's a slow process, but corrected. All right. That's how we do it on the modern Scriptor Royal typewriter here at PhoenixTypewriter.com. Good day.